Introduce highlight features or overview summary of MEPTY 18000 BTU, mini split air conditioner, heat pump. Consists of the following features. 4-in-1 multi-function design. MEPTY mini split air conditioner does more than just cool and heat, it's your all-in-one climate solution. With a built-in dehumidifying function, it removes excess moisture, creating a healthier and more comfortable indoor environment. Plus, the fan mode delivers gentle airflow, perfect for enjoying mild weather without cooling or heating. Stay comfortable year-round with versatile performance tailored to your needs. Advanced energy saving. Advanced inverter technology with leading 19 SEER2 rating delivers superior performance through ensuring that the compressor speed adjusts automatically to save energy based on indoor temperature. Changes, saves up to 35% energy with intelligent frequency adjustment. Quick cooler and heater. Besides powerful capacity, you can also experience rapid cooling and heating with the TABU Mini Split AC/heating system. The quick cooler and heater function allows you to reach your desired temperature without waiting for a long time. For staying comfortable and cozy quickly, you just need to turn on the small air conditioner in 30 seconds for a cool room or in 60 seconds for a heated room. Whisper quiet comfort. Ultra quiet 35 decibels in mute mode operation with uniform air distribution system ensures peaceful indoor environment. Rapid cooling and heating, 61 to 88 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for home, bedrooms, living room, garage, offices, most residential and light commercial applications. Wall-mounted air conditioner. The MEPTY Mini air conditioner is wall-mounted, saving valuable floor space and adding a modern and sleek touch to your room decoration. These compact wall-mounted AC units can also seamlessly blend into any interior style, providing efficient air conditioning without obstructing your living space. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.